In all honesty, I knew when I first saw you that one day you'd be holding my hand. No twist of fate to separate you from me.
Why is it all zoomed in? Hey guys, with my friend Gage here. We're going to hike up Icebox Canyon right now. It should be pretty cool. There should be some water running right now. A waterfall at the end, so let's go check that out. Kind of running out of sunlight here. Hopefully that doesn't affect the video too much.
We watched the fairies floating in the sky. We watched the light fade to dark outside. And I knew, yeah, I knew.
Words do not do justice to just how tall these mountains actually are. I mean, videos don't anyway. Or words. Doesn't look as big on the camera. I've seen bigger mountains, but these are pretty impressive in their own right. There's a spring right here. Let's see if we can get closer and see if it's running. So yeah, the spring is going. This whole area just smells of tea tree oil. I don't know what plant it would be that does that, that smells that way, but that's what it smells like. Guys, Gage got his shoe wet.
It fell in the water.
I don't know. What are you gonna do? Perfect. Oh yeah, we're here. Woo! Check it out. That is beautiful. Wow. You guys, it is awesome up here. Oh, I just feel the moisture in the breeze, all the mist. Feels so cleansing. This is really awesome. Oh, it feels so good. I used to hate living in the desert. Spend some time in the high desert and your perspective on everything will change. You know, this entire area used to be underwater at some point, prehistorically. It used to be all... Ow! I slapped myself in the face. But you know, despite Las Vegas having some downsides, I feel like I was meant to learn those things and to grow from them and to recognize them, and to even recognize them in myself, and just try to be the best version of myself that I could possibly be. I think that I just heard an owl. Alright, you guys, I'm finally back from that hike. My hair's a little bit frizzy from my towel, got showered off. But anyway, I know I promised that I would finally go to the strip in this video, but that's actually coming in the next video, and I promise this time I am editing the footage right now, so be sure to watch out for that, and make sure you like this video and subscribe for more content. Thank you. See you next time.